Hello children, how are you? I hope that you are perfectly well. You are senior most student of this school. You are in class 12th. So you are supposed to be very careful about everything. You can provide guidelines to your juniors, sometimes your elders also, because you are having sharp mind, fresh mind, and you are very close contact of the day-to-day world. The day before yesterday, I had given you certain exercises based on advertisement. Now the second question of writing section is notice writing. You have studied in other classes 9th and 10th also how to write notice. Even then, I am providing you fresh information. What is notice? What is notice? A notice is a written or printed news, announcement, or information. Whatever is given in written, whatever announcement is made in written is called notice. A notice may contain news information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. That has happened or is likely to happen. It may be formal announcement of public importance or an advance warning meant for compliance. compliance. Compliance means what is to be followed. Compliance and information. When any government notice is circulated, that is called compliance. When any official notice given, supported by the principal, everybody has to follow the instruction provided or given or presented through the notice. A notice can be about a meeting, an event. If you are going to conduct a meeting at certain time, at certain place, you have to mention everything in the notice so that the people who are going through the notice may be informed about correct timing and place. An excursion, a historical trip, a picnic, lost and found, change of name, address, inform, timing, venue, etc. That everything, all these things should be mentioned in notice. Then I think it is clear to you what is notice. I am repeating, a notice is about a meeting, an event, an excursion, that is picnic, a historical trip, a trip to historical place, a picnic, lost and found, change of name and address. If you want to change your name, then it should be notified in newspaper. If you want to change your address, it should be notified somewhere where it is expected to be, where it is supposed to be. Name, address, uniform, timing. If your school timing is going to change, then a notice circulated through the principal of the school. Then from this and this date, school timing will be as following. What is the duration of school timing? When the school will get over? When the school will start? Everything is mentioned in the notice. What is purpose of notice? Notices are effective means of disseminating, making clear. Disseminating information means passing information, making everything, giving clear information related to different issues or occasions. Issues, issues or occasions, occasions. They reach to a large number of persons. In a short time. short time. Hence, a notice is written in simple and informal language that everybody may be able to understand what is being informed, what is the notice about. It is clear, brief, and to the point. So there is word limit. When you are writing a notice, word limit is also given. So you must give everything what is supposed to be written in notice. Everything should be clearly written. Where are notices displayed? You may see the notice board in school, college notice boards, newspapers, magazine, and third is public notice boards, which is for everyone. Whoever passes through that, the place will go through the notice board. What are the main parts of notice? First, format, how to write. Now, what is the format of notice? Where to write date, where to make heading, and what is salutation. Everything should be clear. Format, it includes the words notice, date, heading, writer's name, and designation. Who is the writer? Who is writing the notice? All these things are mentioned in format. Heading, date, and sender's name, writer's name. What is the content? Second thing is content. Means marks are divided on these three things: format, content, and expression. Content must answer the questions what, when, where, how. What is the information? If it is about an event, when will it be conducted, and where will it be conducted, and how. If it is about participation, then you have to how anybody can participate. What are the procedure for the candidates who are willing to participate in any event. And then expression, then comes with expression. It relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content. What message you want to pass on, your sentence must be according to that. Don't write unnecessary things in the notice. As well as means it relates to the overall organization and relevance. Relevance means appropriateness. Organization and relevance of the content, as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. There must not be any grammatical mistake, because you will lose marks if you make grammatical mistakes. So be careful. Limited words are given. Don't write useless things, because if you write useless things more than the word limit given, you are likely to make mistakes. Then why to invite problems to yourself? Why to write unnecessary words? Minimize your words, write correctly, and be careful of grammatical mistakes. Now I will give you an example, 2-3 examples, then I will give you some exercise will give in homework. That will make everything clear. When you are writing notice for school, college, or notice boards, what will be the format of notice? I have already told that advertisement and notice are written in box, rectangular box. Okay. What things you have to remember when you are writing notice? It must contain complete information, so that whoever goes through the notice may be clear what it has been written about and what message is being passed. The order of presentation should be clear. State the purpose of notice clearly. Content should include all necessary informations. For example, for a meeting, if you are going to conduct a meeting, organize a meeting, time, venue means place, venue, venue, on which date, and what is the purpose of the meeting, that is called agenda. I am telling you, time, venue, and date, and agenda. purpose of that meeting, that should be clearly written in the notice. Then use impersonal language, third person, means avoid I and you. If you are writing a message, don't say that I am going to conduct or you have to attend the meeting. Such type of sentences are not written in notice. I am telling you, all the teachers are hereby informed, all the students are hereby informed to attend this meeting, to inform the students. All the teachers are hereby informed to get this notice written in the diaries of the students. Okay, principal does not ask directly; he asks in third person. They are supposed, they are requested, they are expected. Like this, all the teachers are requested to inform the students that school will remain closed on this and this date on the occasion of or due to, as per the instruction of the authorities, as per DM's order. Such type of sentences are written in third person. I think I am clear. Give the designation of the writer. Who is writing? If DM is writing, then left side, DM Varanasi. Name should be written. If the principal of the school is writing, then principal is sufficient by principal or any academic in charge. If notice is being circulated by academic in charge, coordinator, then the name of coordinator and particular authorities designation should be mentioned with name. The date of writing notice is generally put at the top. Mostly notice, if you make notice on the left side of the top, on top left side, date should be mentioned clearly, and in the middle, on the top, you should write notice, NOTIC in block letters. Just under notice, make the heading of the matter you are going to write on. What is the heading of the notice? On what subject you are going to write the notice? That heading should be clearly written. That heading should be clearly written. So be careful while you are writing. Observe the word limit. If you exceed it, you will get a negative mark. If you are not getting negative mark, you will not get extra mark also. So you should adhere the word limit. You should adhere means ADHERE, strictly follow the word limit. Whatever word limit has been given in the question, you have to follow that. Now, one example I want to give on cultural and academic activities. Note the question at first very carefully. Your school is organizing ORGANIZING ZRS, both are correct. Organizing Spike Mackey. It should be written in capital letter. Spike Mackey, SPICMACAY, Spike Mackey program on the occasion of the World Dance Day. On the occasion, OCCASION, on the occasion of the World Dance Day, wherein the renowned Bharatanatyam dancer, the renowned RENOWNED, renowned Bharatanatyam, BHARATNATYAM, Bharatanatyam, Bharat BHARAT, Natyam NATYAM, Bharatanatyam dancer, Geeta Chandran, G capital, GEETA, Geeta Chandran, CHANDRAN, Geeta Chandran would be giving a lecture demonstration. Lecture, LECTURE, lecture demonstration, DEMONSTRATION, demonstration. As the president, you have to consider yourself the president. As the president, 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 cultural secretary of your school, cultural secretary, CULTURAL, cultural secretary, SECRETARY, cultural secretary of your school, comma, draft notice, DRAFT, draft notice in about 50 words, draft notice in about 50 words, informing the students about the same, about ABOUT, about the same, SAME. You are Mahendra. Whatever name is written in the question, you have to mention that name. You are Mahendra oblique Rakshita, RAKSHI, RAKSHITA, 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 Rakshita. Girls are Rakshita and boys are Mahendra. Of DPS Varanasi, Delhi Public School Varanasi, DPS Varanasi. These things should be clearly written in the notice. And then when you are writing the answer, at first you have to make a box. Don't forget to make box. Then on the left side, whenever this you are writing this notice, that day should be mentioned. Suppose that I am teaching you today. So what is the date today? Today is 17th. 17th or 18th, whatever date is, you have to mention that date. May, 2020. Suppose that today is 18, then 18 May, MAY, capital. After May there should be a comma. Then 2020. This is the pattern of writing dates. Go to the middle part, to the top. Write the heading Cultural Society, or if you are not writing Cultural Society, you should write notice. NOTIC should be in capital letters. NOT, all letters should be in capital. Then DPS Varanasi, under that Delhi Public School Varanasi. Okay, this is the name of school. Then write the heading Lecture Demonstration of Dance. Lecture. After at the top you will write name of school. Under that notice, I am repeating, at first on the top write name of the school, then notice. Under that, after that the heading of the notice. Name of school, Delhi Public School. Under that notice, NOTIC. Then after that make the heading Lecture Demonstration of Dance, LECTURE. You have to write in capital letters. Demonstration, DEMONSTRATION, demonstration of dance, DANCE, dance. This is heading. Now come to the next line. Start from the left side. What will you write? This is the contents. Our school is organizing. Our school, OUR. Our school is organizing, ORGANISING, organizing a Spike Make program. Spelling I have already told you. Spike Make program, PROGRAMME. Spike Make program on the occasion, OCCASION, on the occasion of the World Dance Day. World, W capital, WORLD, World Day, D capital, DAY, day, World Dance Day, DANCE, dance, then day, World Dance Day, full stop. As a part of this program, our school has invited. As a part of the program, you have, after that you have to put a comma. Our school has invited the renowned. Our school has invited the renowned, RENOWNE, renowned, jane mane, very popular, renowned Bharatanatyam dancer. Bharatanatyam dancer, spelling I have already told. Bharatanatyam dancer, comma, Geeta Chandran, Geeta Geeta Chandran, to give a lecture demonstration. To give a lecture demonstration. Full stop. All the students from class 2nd to 12th, from class 2nd to 12th are informed to participate, PARTICIPAT, participate in this program, and learn dance, learn dance. Tactics means techniques, TACTICS, tactics, from the renowned person, renowned, renowned person. Notice over on the left side, who is the writer? What name I had told you? Rakshita and Mahendra. If boy is writing, boys will write Mahendra and girls will write Rakshita. Rakshita, under that President, Cultural Society. President, Cultural Society. Okay, this notice is clearly written, and if you write this notice, you will get 4 out of 4. Full marks you will get. Now let's come to the next notice. You are not next question. This is not the question at first. You are president of the cultural society of your school. You are the president of the cultural society of your school. Full stop. You are planning, PLANNING. You are planning to organize a cultural program. Full stop. Write a notice for the school notice board. Write a notice for the school notice board, inviting names of students willing to participate. WILLING, willing to participate. You are, after participate, you have to put full stop. Then you are Sudhir, comma, the secretary of the society. This is the question. Then you have to write the answer. At first, make a box, rectangular box. Up to that can be used to write the full notice. According to the size of the notice, you have to make a box. Go to the left, write the date of today, the date on which date you are writing the notice, and come to the middle and to the top of the box. Inside the box you have to write. Same thing as I have told you, this format. Cultural society, school is any school name. The school name is not written. You can write ABC school or NCCS or ABS or DPS. Any name, whatever name comes to your mind, mention that name. ABS, International School, comma, Jaunpur, Maharajganj, Jaunpur. After that, write heading notice. Be careful the step. At first, left side go write date to today's date or the date when you are writing notice. Then come to the middle part, write cultural society. Under that, write the name of the school. Any imaginary school, if name of the school has not been mentioned, is nowhere to be found in the question. You have to write any imaginary school. Okay, Ma Durga Ji Public School, Jaunpur. After that, notice, write the heading notice, NOTICE. All letters should be in capital. Under that, you have to write the topic of the notice, on which matter, on which topic you are going to write this notice. I have, according to question, opportunity for budding artist. Opportunity, OPPORTUNIT, opportunity for budding, BUDDING, budding artist, ARTISTS, artist, budding artist. Now, from next line, from the left side, start writing. Talented students are invited to submit, SUBMIT, submit their names for a musical evening. Submit their names for a musical evening, MUSICAL, musical evening, 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 to be held, musical evening to be held on 21st August 2020. 21st August 2020 in the school open air theater. In the school open air theater, THEATRE, open air theater, from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. or you can write 6 p.m. onwards, as long as the program ends. The program will continue till the last participant gives his her performance, from the 6 p.m. onwards, full stop. Then under that, what are the items? Make heading of items in the notice, items, and first, second, third, fourth, 4, 5, 6, whatever items are going to be displayed, you have to mention those items, so that the participants who are willing to participate must know what items they are supposed to present. First, light vocal music, light vocal, VOCAL, music, MUSIC, light, LIGST. Solo means single, SOLO. Second, group song. Third, group dance. And fourth, classical dance, solo. Classical dance like Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, such type of dances, any one dance. Group dance, there was classical dance, solo, means only one dancer will be there to present the program. Come to the next line. Contact the undersigned. Undersigned means Adho Hastakshari, means the person who is writing this notice. Contact the undersigned before 16th August 2020. Contact the undersigned before 16th August 2020. Again, under that, just in the corner of left side, who is the writer? Sudhir. And who is Sudhir? After Sudhir, write his designation, on which post is he working. Sudhir, Secretary, Cultural Society, Secretary, SECRETAR, Secretary, Cultural Society. Now this is complete notice. And now note the third example I want to provide you. Third question. You are Praveen, PRAVEN, Praveen, oblique Poonam, POONAM, Poonam. Boys are Praveen, girls are Poonam. as full stop, as the secretary, science club, SCIENCE, science club of your school, comma, write a notice informing students, informing students about an inter-school science exhibition, and encouraging them to participate in it, There is inter-school science exhibition, EXHIBITION, exhibition. Then now you have to write the answer. Make a box, go to the left side, write the date, come to the middle. What will write there? Science club, SCIENCE, science club, CLUB, science club. Under that, write the name of the school. Goenka Public School. You can write any name of any school, NCCS or ABS or Goenka or DPS or SS Public School or Divine Sainik School. Whatever name comes to your mind, you should mention that name. Goenka Public School, comma, New Delhi. Now Goenka Public School in Varanasi also. Goenka Public School, Varanasi you can mention. Gorakhpur, anything. Goenka spelling I am telling you, GOENKA. Name of the school must be written in block letters, means all letters must be capital. G capital, O capital, E capital, N, K. A. Goenka, K. All letters should be written in capital. Goenka Public School, New Delhi. Just under that write notice, NOTICE, this heading. Now come to the next line and start writing the contents. Bright Enterprising, Bright, BRIGST, Bright Enterprising, 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 and Intelligent, INTELLIGENT, Intelligent science students are invited to participate. Science students are invited to participate. INVITED, invited. Intelligent, spelling of intelligent, INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Science students are invited to participate in the inter-school science exhibition. Should be written between single inverted comma, I capital, INTER, inter, school, S capital, SCSW, school, inter-school. Between inter-school there is a hyphen, a small dash. Inter-school, Antar Vidyalay. Inter-school science exhibition, SCIENCE, science exhibition, EXHIBITION, science exhibition, to be held in Delhi Public School next month. Delhi, DPS Varanasi. If it is DPS Varanasi or DPS, if you are writing about Delhi, you should write DPS Delhi, because Goenka Public School is in Delhi. If the heading is in Delhi, means such type of activities are organized at very nearby, between nearby schools, so that the schools may be able to reach the venue very easily. I think I am clear. I am repeating the sentence. Inter-school science exhibition to be held in Delhi Public School, New Delhi. Full stop. Now come to the next line. If there is space in the line you are writing, you can continue in the same line. Submit your charts. Submit, SUBMIT. Submit your chart, CHARTS, charts, comma, models, 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 comma, projects, 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 by 30th July, 30, 30th July, JULY, 2020, full stop. Appear before screening committee means students have to appear. Appear, 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 appear before, BFORE, screening, SCREENING, screening committee, 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 committee. Appear before screening committee on 5th August. 5th August means 5 August, AUG dot complete spelling you can write AUGOST, but no need to write full word. AUG dot is sufficient. 5th August, comma, 2020, 2020, full stop. No, not full stop. 2020 at, time also you have to mention. 2020 at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. in the activities room. In the activities room. ACTIVITIS, activities room. ROOM room. Now again, next line, in the corner of left side of the notice you are writing, left side, what the name you have written, Praveen, Prabha, or whatever name I had dictated, you have to mention that name. Under that write secretary, science club, secretary science club. Now notice is complete. You will get 4 out of 4. There is no mistake. And I am warning you, you don't have to write your name anywhere in the answer sheet. If it comes in your exam, don't write your name anywhere in the answer sheet. Whatever name has been given in the question paper, you have to note that name only. You have to use. You have to consider that you are that person. Then you have to write that name. Okay. 3 examples I have given. If required, I can give one more. Given in notice about celebration. One notice I want to give based on celebration. Note the question at first. You are Mohan, the secretary of the Old Boys Association of your school. You are Mohan, comma, the secretary. Spelling I have already told. Secretary of the Old Boys Association, 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 association of your school. Your school. R is silent, so we pronounce your school. The association proposes, PROPOSES, proposes to celebrate its silver jubilee year of the school. Its silver jubilee year of the school. SILVER, silver, jubilee, 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 year of the school. Full stop. Draft notice to be published. Draft, DRAFT, draft a notice to be published, PUBLISHED, published in the newspaper, inviting suggestions, inviting suggestions about how to celebrate it. How to celebrate, CELEBRAT, celebrate it. Word limit is given 50 words. Means you don't have to write more than 50 words. Within 50 words you should finish your notice. Now go to the make a box, go to left side, write the date, then come to the middle of the box, and on the top you have to mention Old Boys Association. Old Boys Association. Then under that, name of the school in capital, all block letters. Under that, write notice, NOTIC. Now start writing the answer. The ex student, EX, then hyphen students, Purva Chhatra. The ex students of this prestigious institution, prestigious, prestigious, prestigious institution, 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 will be pleased, pleased to learn that OBA proposes. OBA means Old Boys Association. Short form of Old Boys Association is OBA. Will be pleased to learn that OBA proposes to celebrate the silver jubilee year of the school. The silver as capital. Silver jubilee, JUBIL jubilee year of the school. Full stop. Now next line. Suggestions are invited. SUGGESTIONS. Suggestions are invited from the enlightened, ENLIGHTENED, enlightened alumni, 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 about how to celebrate it best. How to celebrate it best. Full stop. Please send your suggestions along with latest contact address. Please send your suggestions along with latest contact address and subscription. SUBSCRIPTION, subscription to the undersigned, UNDERSIGNED, undersigned by 10th August 2020. Undersigned, UNDERSIGNED, undersigned by 10th August, 2020, full stop. Okay. Who are you? You have to write and come to the end of the question. Left side, Mohan, under that secretary, designation, secretary, under that Old Boys Association, Mohan, secretary, Old Boys Association, at first Mohan, secretary, then Old Boys Association, under that, what is the name of school? Suppose that you are writing from DPS, you are writing from NCCS, you are writing from ABS Jaunpur, NCCS Varanasi, DPS Lucknow. Whatever name or address you have mentioned, you have to follow according to that. That's all for this notice. Note all this notice in your fair notebook, and I will send you certain questions to do as home assignment. You have to do as yourself, and if you find it difficult to solve them, then I will tell you the answers also, but tomorrow, not today. Till then, stay home, stay safe at home, and obey your parents, help your parents in their day-to-day work. Thank you very much.